Okay, what do we got here? I just put a new fuel line with a fuel cutoff switch on my new ariens snowblower. I have no clue what inch the auger is, but it does snowblow well. I started it yesterday and it runs real good, except when you put gas in it, it would just all leak out the carburetor over there. So I installed a new fuel line and a new cutoff switch. So when I'm done, just turn it off and it won't leak. That's a waste of money when it leaks gas and it stinks up my shop. So, alright, it's still cold, you know, see, everything's cold, so I can touch it. Hasn't been started yet today, so we're going to see if we can get it started for the third time since 2 years. So, alright, give her a few primes. Oh yeah, turn it on. Has an electric start, but I'm just going to pull it today because cord is in use. This might be kind of turn the fuel on. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, choke. Give her half throttle. Alright. Perfect. Not too bad. Oh, needs a little warming up, I guess. I'll give it a little more throttle here. There's probably air in the lines. That's probably why it's acting like that, because there's a bunch of air in the fuel line since I just changed it. So we'll pump all that out.